So today we are unboxing the Raspberry Pi 4, putting it into a proper case with cooling and going to power it on for the first time. So if you're setting up your Raspberry Pi for the first time, this video will save a lot of guesswork for you. So let's get started. So this is the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B. Inside the box, you will get a Pi itself. Also, this comes with this pocket guide, but no, you don't need that. That's why I have this video for you. So you can just throw it away. And everything is packed up pretty cleanly. Along with the Raspberry Pi itself, it comes with a pouch, and you can use this to store your Pi and accessories, especially if you're traveling or just want to keep the things secure and safe at one place. Also get an HDMI to mini HDMI converter cable, which is important because Raspberry Pi uses the mini HDMI port, not the full-size one. And finally, the power adapter itself. So this power adapter is USB Type-C, and it's always recommended to use this power adapter instead of powering on the Pi using a USB port on the computer. The Pi needs stable power, especially when you connect peripherals. So here is the Raspberry Pi 4 itself. Before putting it into the case, we will install the heat sinks first to help with the cooling. So these heat sinks will go directly on the top of main chips. Just peel off the protected film and gently press them in place. Good cooling is really important, especially if you plan to run your Pi 24/7 or under load. So now let's put Raspberry Pi into a case. So this case comes with an active cooling fan, which is great for keeping the temperature low. Make sure you connect the red and the black wire correctly and power the ground. Otherwise, the fan won't spin. You might notice these small screws that comes with this case. These are labeled to use with the camera module, so I'm not using them here. This Pi fits securely without them. So once everything is lined up, we can now close the lid. So once everything is lined up, we can close the case and make sure all the ports are accessible. So now let's power it on for the first time. So here you can see the status of LED lights, which tells the Pi is receiving power and it's booting. So I forgot to talk about the ports. On this side, you can see it has two USB 3 ports and two USB 2 ports and one Ethernet port. On the other side, you will find a USB Type-C port, which is for power, two HDMI ports, and the audio jack for audio input. And that's it. That was the unboxing and the physical setup of Raspberry Pi 4 Model B. So in the next video, I will be showing you how we can install the operating system on Raspberry Pi 4 and how we can configure that. So if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech-savvy videos like this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.